This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
I know I said we're ready to start building, but there are a few quick technical things that we have to do. And the first is transfer our domain to our hosting service. So I'm going to show you how to transfer the domain from Namecheap to WPX hosting. And it sounds complex, but don't worry, it's really simple. Okay, next up is to install WordPress, to point the domain's servers to our hosting site. And this is something you have to do wherever you host a website, whether you're using WPX or another type of service. So on this service details page, if you scroll down, there's going to be two links, and it will just say name server, and then there'll be a link. And it'll say name server, and there'll be a link. And you're going to want to keep those name servers in mind when you go over to Namecheap. On Namecheap, you want to find the domain that you're going to be using. So like I mentioned before, for this tutorial, I'm going to be using givebackyourgift.com. So if this was the domain you want to use, click on the Manage button. And then scroll down until you see Nameservers. It's going to default to basic DNS, and you just want to click on that drop-down menu and click on Custom DNS. And don't worry if you don't know what that means, who cares, you don't need to know what it means. But these are the two name servers that you're gonna find if you were to scroll down on this page. And it'll say name server 1, so you copy that from this page and paste it right here where the box will say name server 1. And then do the same with name server 2. And then you just click out of it and it's done. Now the reason why I didn't show you this process is once you update the name servers, it takes up to 24 hours to do its thing and transfer before you can start working on your website. Now it usually takes just a couple of hours, but it's up to 24 hours. But since I already did this a couple of days ago, we're good to go.